November with big thing. Wahala be like wetin I no know. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amibo Show. You all are highly welcome. Thanks for always watching my video. My people, this month and a month of gbs. No be small thing na it dey happen. So una no Oye Bobrisky SPA. Una know say she no dey sand. Let me say like a week now. Yes, a week. They talk say Onye don go, Onye don kpai. Some say Onye never kpai. I no know the rumor. They can't carry the rumor. Okay, now from there Onye can't talk say before you go kpai, may he apologize. And I know say she with Bobrisky no come dey. Okay, from there can't apologize. Bobrisky, two of them can't make a peace. Okay, now they don't they together now. They don't they talk. They communicate together. They not can't get bad belly for each other again. Okay, now Onye come finally come out. As Onye come out now, my people, not be small thing na Onye do wetin big pastor, not be small thing. Hey, and before you do the thing, come talk say he want pull hand for where big pastor, not be small thing. And where he pull hand, na Tunde Ednut, Tunde of all people. Onye can't come out, Onye go DM Tunde Ednut. He waka kpurukere. Now you go DM am. He can't talk say, he can't tell us say, Tunde Ednut, you dey enter my eye. Tunde Ednut, I love you. Tunde Ednut, I love you with everything. No be small thing oh. From there now, they come dey leave comment oh. Even Bobrisky on I know say that no day before. Now they don't dey together now. Bobrisky can't jump pass oh. He can't talk say, oh yeah, you know well. And I know he can't still leave his own opinion for them. My people, not be small thing. This one really baffle me. I know say na normally if person like something, go for it. Not be only guy go for the thing. Okay, now my people, now he can't talk say wetin make am do this thing. Say he dey find person when go dey teach am how to read and write better correct English. My people, not be small thing. Okay, wait I get to talk now. If person love person, tell am. No reason say I be woman or I be man. Now wetin this girl can't do now, wetin only can't do now, he go tell am say I love you, I see you for eye. No wait, may only man come dey tell you say he love you. If you love man, talk come out. But this one now, this Onye own now. He own. This one big pass. I don't know as I want to put am. Okay, now finally now Tunde Ednut come respond to Onye. He can't answer Onye. Onye come dey happy oh. Onye come talk say he go sleep like baby. He go sleep. Finally say Tunde Ednut don answer am. People when be dey laugh am say this one say in God be pass all those people when they laugh am. My people, not be small thing. Okay, my people, ma read wetin Onye come talk. And I know say if Onye dey write, he get as the thing dey be because not be Nigeria person. As I tell reader, men are take am like that. Okay. He can't say Tunde Ednut as reply me. I'm so happy. I will sleep like a baby this night. You guys say I'm chasing clothes. If it's easy, chase it too. Enya Omo Ale always having something to say about everything. If you don't like me, just unfollow me. I beg. I am having this my Instagram account since 2016. I'm just trying to be myself and share positive vibe. If you don't like, just go off. I cannot buy myself because Wusu don't like me. If you keep commenting shit on my page or sending no thing, DM me, I will just block una. You cannot buy my vibe. I'm a joyful person. I don't like straight people that are close to me know me. I don't understand though, but I take am like that, my people. Now wetin make me talk and say as I tell you that me na take am like that. My people not be small thing. As Tunde Ednut come reply, I no know wetin they send the picture, sexy picture, my people, not be small thing. He come still talk say na man when go teach me how to write and speak English. I want date now. Because my English self can resurrect somebody from na so I tell put am. My people not be small thing, no, not be small thing. I dey happen. Oye Bobrisky SPM. Oye don't really learn from Bobrisky. Yes, Bobrisky don't teach am. You don't teach am how to fish. Not be small thing, no. Oye really learn a lot. Oye learn. Bobrisky. Bobrisky try as he take train Onye. Tell am the way. Onye not dey shy. Anything Onye want, Onye go for it. He go go for it. Bobrisky, anything when you want, if you still love I not say you be whether na man or woman, anyone, any guy when you love or any woman, I don't know as I want to put am, you go for it. Make people for still contribute, put for it, not be small thing, because now this kind thing now, they go on now. If you love person, kukuma go tell am o, no hide the feeling, just go straight to the point and tell the person, I love you. Now wetin this Bobrisky sister, I don't know whether na SPA do now, as he love Tunde Ednut, he can't go for it.
Hello Sunday, my name is Oye. I think you're a very handsome man, very sexy and attractive. I know you are not having a lot of your picture on your blogs, but I have some inside my phone here. I used to watch it sometime, and even when I was sick at the hospital, I used to think about you, dream about you sometime. Here, to be sincere, you dey enter my eyes Sunday, and I just wish you answer me back. Hello Sunday, my name is Oye. I think you're a very handsome man, very sexy and attractive. I know you are not having a lot of your picture on your blogs, but I have some inside my phone here. I used to watch it sometime, and even when I was sick at the hospital, I used to think about you, dream about you sometime.